motivation. You guys see that sweat coming? I love it. All right, you guys, I got my 30-minute workout in today. Today is day 6. You know, Leslie said, sweating is not of you losing weight. It's the fact that you're working out hard, which helps you lose calories. So just because you're sweating doesn't necessarily mean you're losing weight. It just means you worked out really good. I was always thinking that when you sweat, that's what, fat coming off of you, but it's not, because you end up refueling, drinking water, eating food that rebuilds the sweat that you lost. It's just, sweat. It's a way of cooling your body off. That's what the sweat is. I'm telling you, what I like about her workout is, not only does she give you that good, powerful upper body, core, legs, she gives you a full body workout. And if you listen to her, you will learn something in every video, because she's an expert. That's all I can say. I have been working with or knowing about her since probably 1996, 97, somewhere around in there is when I first got a hold of her tapes, and I would use those and work out with those tapes. But the thing about it, she's older and she still looks good. I think we're the same age, 64. So she looks great, and she still does this. Same with Denise Austin. I think she's just a couple of years older than me, but she looks great as well. So looking at the two of them, it lets you know that working out actually works. So I'm going to go ahead and get on with my day, and I'll show you guys bits and pieces of what I'm doing today. And as far as what I eat today, it'll probably be another salad, because that was really good yesterday. Excuse me. That salad was really good, and I ate so late that it was perfect. It was a perfect meal, light, low calories. And so I'm going to do it again today. What they say, when something works, keep on doing it. So I'm going to keep on doing it. All right, I'll see you guys in a little bit. Here's my one meal for today. A beautiful salad and corn on the cob. That's it. You guys, I've had another wonderful day on my workout. And then I went and I went through and got all the items I wanted to sell and put them in boxes and totes and got the prices on there. And then what else did I do? I've got some new internet. I got Xfinity internet, $29.99 from what I was paying for that garbage I had from Verizon. So I got that, and I should have a new phone coming because my current phone has been acting up, Verizon. So I did that. So that's going to cut my bill for internet service way past half. It's going to be way below half of what I was paying. And also, I had a guy come by to talk to me about Medicare and life insurance and stuff. And so he ended up giving me a great deal to boost my life insurance up, which is awesome. So I am extremely pleased. I can't even talk. I'm so pleased with that. It's like God knows what I need. And I was trying to avoid this man, and he's a very nice guy. And I was trying to avoid even going through it, but I had been wanting to up my life insurance for a while anyway. And so he did it for me today. And so I'm very happy with that. They're A+ rating on the Better Business Bureau. He had its credentials and everything. I'm so tired, you guys. I wanted to take a nap. But anyway, I got it done. So I did so many things today to help me and what I need done in my life. So I hope you guys have had a fantastic day. I have. And I'm going to eat my salad and corn. And that's going to be it for today. And then I'm going to be chilling out watching YouTube, answering my comments or replying back to my comments. And just thinking about tomorrow. All right, so you guys, I love you so much. Keep on coming back. Keep on exercising, getting that walk in. So many of you are telling me about you're starting to exercise. You're getting some movement in your life. And that's all I can ask, because I have been sitting like a couch potato for so long. And now I'm finally in that Energizer Bunny mood. So you guys, come on back. Make sure you subscribe to the channel. And we're just going to stay positive, stay blessed up. And I'll see you guys in the next video, because I love you. Bye. Mwah.